Hi everyone, welcome back to 60 new Einsetzen and Ansetzen exercises. So this is exercise for day 14. This is simple target practice. What we are doing is playing staccato notes. We go C, G, C, double pedal C. And similarly down each of the 7 positions. Needless to say, I'll probably miss a few on this cranky old thing, but whatever. Not much I can do about that. Important things. It's very easy to get into the habit of doing something like this, where you let go of the chops between each note. Let's not do that. Try and keep everything steady. And so on. So. There we go. Quick and simple. That's day 14. Thanks for watching.